guys, welcome back. Today we are making a spider web. It's really pretty and you can have little spiders on it. Hope you enjoy this video. For each web you will need at least 3 coffee stirrers. You'll also need yarn or wool of any kind. Thickness doesn't matter. To secure the sticks, tie the string round and round them and then add in the final stick. Tie your string over one stick and then under the next and keep on going round and round in circles as shown. Keep going until you're happy with the shape and then stop. Once you've finished with your shape and you're happy with it, cut off the excess string and then tie it into a knot on the nearest web, and then you're done. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you did enjoy it, leave a like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments below. See you guys next time. Bye!